Today it's the 24th of April 2023. We have Kaartintorpantie. I need to check that in Swedish later. Not sure. Gardestorpsvägen probably, but I'll check that later. Building 6 deck is Sige. It will be cool to visit the Stegis AMB here as well, because there are only 4 floors but 6 apartments in the Stegis. There's still an elevator. That's pretty good for that time. This was built in 1963, turned 60 years old this year in 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. This number is H11157, and this is here in Munkkiniemi, Munksnes. Helsinki, I suppose, modernized Finland, and has the Henke, which is rare.
Yeah.
It feels like maybe finished late 1963 or something.
Yeah. Spektiippaakin vain. Täältä menee eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
And I love the style and the smell in here.
Same here.
There's nice wooden panels there in the stack.
Yeah.
Also. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we can get to the Stegis AMB later.
Yeah. That's